Alright people, laws of indices for all rational exponents. This is the very first component of the very first section, Algebra and Functions of AS level, Core Mathematics 1, C1. All you need to do is know how to work with A's, M's and N's, basically any expression composed of alphabets, and translate it into real simple terms. What that means is you'll take some complicated looking expressions and you'll use some basic rules to simplify them down to not so complicated looking expressions, and that's all there is to it. There are a few rules to use and they are called the laws of indices. The very first law of indices states that if you see an expression that looks something like this, a to the power m times a to the power n, you are to take the two powers and add them together as long as two things remain. The middle has to be a multiplication sign, and the number or the constant or whatever else you want to call it needs to be the same. So a to the power m times a to the power n is essentially the same number, therefore we write that common number and add the two powers together. In an actual examination setting, this would look something like so. Please simplify 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. And using this law of indices is what will help you arrive at your answer. Since a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n, where a is unique and common to both, we say 2, 3 plus 4, 2 to the power first power plus second power equals 2 to the power 7, and that there is your answer using that first law of indices.